Hello learners. So in this session we are going to see what are the options available for us in a particular visual to troubleshoot, right? So you can see this is the total share by regions. This is a visual for me. Let me drag a little bit. I selected a little. So we are going to work on this and we will see what are the options available here. So you can see here this is the total order share by region. Okay, and you can see if I wanted to focus it. So these are the for the drill down and categories which I have shown in the different section, different uh, video. And you can see this is the filter. This option is filter. Okay, filter means what if any filter is applicable or if any filter applicable on this visual or not. So you can see 2024 is selected by default. So it is showing that filter and slicer which is affecting this visual is 2024. If I select the 2025 and if I come back here and if I see here, you can see this is the filter which is applied to this visual at the moment. Okay, this icon shows that. Now this is what this is focus mode. If you have multiple visuals in your page and you wanted to show this, so you can click on it. Okay, you can click on it. It will open your visual in the page. So you, okay, it will give the better visibility. So for that purpose you can use it. Go back to the report, we'll come back to here, and then these are the more options. So let's explore each of the options one by one. So very first is export data. If you wanted to export the data, okay, in CSV format or XLS in your local machine, you can click on it. So if I click on the export data, see it is asking me to load the data. So I have already loaded here. You can see this is a comma separated file. So this way you can, whatever the data, you can load it here from here. Second option is show as table. If you wanted to see what is the values behind it in the form of table you wanted to show. Okay, so click on here. You can see this report in this highlighted mode, as well as you can see here it is giving the total share for central 74, for east region 71 total share, north 82. So this is giving in the form of the table. Go back to the report, then quickly come here. If you wanted to remove this visual, you can use this. We are not going to remove it. This is a spotlight. This is basically if you wanted to highlight this visual across multiple visuals. So you can click on spotlight. You can see all other visuals are grayed out. Okay, and this become highlight. You can remove it again, and then you can sort access. Okay, this is something which allow you to sorting your data on the basis of details. So sorting on the basis of x-axis, sorting on the basis of y-axis. So let's discuss sort axis. So I wanted to sort my data on the basis of region. So if I click on the region, okay, so you can see here west, south, north, east, central. It is coming like that. Why? Because by default sorting it is happening by descending. So first Z and then A. So that's why W is coming first and C is coming on the extreme right. I wanted central come first at the last, so I need to sort it by sort ascending. I click this. You can see central, east, north. So alphabetically it is coming from going from left to right because I have used what you call ascending. Okay, now I wanted to do the same thing on the total share on the y-axis. I wanted to share short. You can see 0, 20, 40 like this. Okay, if I wanted to short by descending, you can see by default it is here it is ascending selected. If I click on short descending, so what will happen? You can see 0, 20, 20 and north is coming first. So descending 40, the bar which is coming, which is having the highest value is coming first, and then central which is having 74. So descending, by descending it is now coming in the left on the y-axis. And then view visual calculation. This is for giving you the total sum, running sum. If I click on here, so what will happen? It is giving the running sum of each of the categories. For central 2025, quarter 1, 2. So this is the running total. It is for, you can see for this east region quarter 1, 2, 3. Why it is showing quarter? Because if you see here, there is no quarter here. Why? Because if you select, I'll show you, because I have used this date. Okay, I have choose this year and quarter, and you can see in the x-axis in the quarter. That's why it is giving a quarter wise. If I remove this quarter wise, okay, I go here and visual running sum. It will give me on the basis of year only 2025 or 2025. So it is not giving me quarter basis. Okay, and then we have set up a verified answer. This is not set up a verified answer. This is not for this we need a email address to be applied, so we can ignore it. This is not required. We don't have an access to Copilot. So I believe I have completed all this. These things I have already covered in this separate, but let me tell you what is this. This is something if you wanted to drill down your report, you wanted to analyze your report a little bit uh, one level down. So let's say here we have the analysis of region north, and I wanted on the basis of region, and I also wanted to analyze this data on the basis of year. So if I click here, one down level hierarchy, you can see for north 2025, central 2025, east 2025. If I select quarter also, let's say if I select quarter also, so what will happen, it is drill down my report like this. Okay, if I focus on, you can see for north central, quarter one, quarter one, all this information is coming. Okay, if I remove this quarter, so I have the data till year. And if I come back, drill up, okay, this option is basically to drill down. If I drill mode is on, if for this specific bar I wanted to go back, let's suppose I wanted to analyze south region only, so I click on south region. Okay, it is giving me in south region for year 2025, this is the data. Okay, so this is basically go to the next level in the hierarchy. If I click on this, it will give the year region, but you can see the region is removed from here. So that's why this is the lowest level of the data, and this is for complete hierarchy, and this is specifically for one bar if you wanted to do analysis, and this is for coming up, drill up. So I hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day. These are the options which we can use on the specific visual, and these are available for each of the on each of the visual, most of the visuals. But here drill down is not available. If you say this drill down is there, but it's not there because this is a pie chart and we don't have a date hierarchy applicable here. We did not use the date hierarchy. Okay, so that's why it's fine. Thank you and have a